Yesterday, we came to read that how narrator in the lesson Ranga's marriage, and I think today is part third. So in part second, we came to read that how narrator tried to arrange and marriage the marriage between Ranga and Ratna, how he guessed and measured the mentality in relation to the marriage of the Ranga, and how he taught to the wife of Rama Rao to be served milk with the hands of the Ratna when someone comes to his home, particularly Ranga. So now we shall start to read further. Ratna came, it was a Friday, so she was wearing a grand sari. I told her to sit in my room and requested her to sing a song. I sent for Ranga. Sent for Ranga means called for Ranga. While she was singing the song Krishna Murti in front of my eyes, Ranga reached the door. Means this was the planning of the narrator because he wanted to get married Ratna with the Ranga because according to him the match of the Ratna and Ranga was the most appropriate than the other match for the Ratna, and also he was inclined in favor of the family of the Ratna, so he wanted to help Ratna's family in marrying Ratna with Ranga. So he planned and instructed to do in same way as was told by him to the Rama Rao's wife. When day came on Friday, narrator what did she made sit Ratna and instructed to sing song. And Ranga started to sing bhajan, and meanwhile narrator called on to Ranga at his home. Ranga also reached to the home of the narrator, sorry, home to the Ratna. He stopped at the threshold. Threshold, THRESHOLD. Threshold means होता है the देहली, the first step of the door. So Ranga stood, having heard the voice, melodious voice singing a bhajan by a girl. Ranga stood on the threshold, that is on the first step of the door. He did not want the singing to stop, but was curious to see the singer. Though voice was melodious, Ranga also wanted to hear the bhajan, and he also was disinterested in interrupting between the song. So he stood just on the threshold of the door, but he wanted to see, have a glance of the singer who was singing by sitting inside of the room. Carefully he peeped in. Peep in means hota hai to look into, झांकना. Peeped, that is the past form in, means looked into of the room. The light coming into the room was blocked because there was window through which light was passing into the room, and Ranga looked through the window, and when he stood just upon the window, then what happened? The light of the sunshine interrupted and stopped to enter into the room. Ratna looked up and seeing a stranger, they abruptly stopped. Abruptly means suddenly stopped. When light stopped from entering into the room through the window, Ratna looked towards the window and seeing an strange person peeping into the room towards her, she got shy and suddenly stopped her singing. Suppose you buy the best quality mango, you eat it slowly, savoring its peel. Before biting into the juicy flesh, you don't do not want to waste any part of it. Before you take another bite, the fruit slips out of your hand and falls to the ground. How do you feel? Ranga's face showed the same disappointment when the singing stopped. This is the example from the side of narrator. Narrator is saying that when Ranga heard the voice of the Ratna, he peeped into through the window in the room to have a sight, to have the glance of the singer. And when he started to peep into the light uh, of the sun, interrupted from being enter into the room. And then Ratna came to know that somebody was there peeping into the room through the window. And when she saw that a strange person was there peeping into the room towards her, she got shy and she stopped sinking and ran away into the room. Now sinking stopped. Thou Ranga was interested in seeing the face and hearing the music voice, but being stopped the song, Ranga was unable to hear. So example is being given from the side of narrator that if you are eating a mango, you take first bite of the mango and it gives very tasty and delicious and taste to you. But suddenly what happens that when you are going to take second bite and it slips from your hand and falls on the ground, then what will गो इन योर हर्ट. जब आम खा रहे हो आप, अचानक आपके हाथ से गिर गया, तो अब आप पे क्या गुजरेगी, अब आप समझ सकते हो. सेम थिंग वाज हैपनिंग विथ द रंगा. यू सेंट फॉर मी, ही आस्क्ड एज ही केम इन एंड सेट ऑन अ चेयर. रंगा इंक्वायर्ड ऑफ with the narrator whether he had sent for him. Entering into the room, रूम में प्रवेश करते हुए रंगा पूछा नरेटर से कि क्या आपने मुझे बुलावा भेजा था, मैं आया हूं. Ratna stood at a distance, her head lowered. Ranga repeatedly glanced at her once our eyes met, and he looked very embarrassed. No one spoke for a long while. Now Ranga and Ratna both were just face to face of them to everyone. Both were looking at everyone seriously many times, but both were unable to speak to each other anything. It was my coming in that stopped the singing. Let me leave. Ranga said that the singing was stopped due to him when he entered into the room. So he must be allowed to go and to leave the room. Words were mere, M-E-R-E, mere means only. Words, only words. Means he said to leave the room, but he was not interesting to leave the room. Sir ji, अब धीरे डिस्टर्ब हो रहा है. He would leave the room, but he was not interesting into leaving the room. The fellow said he would leave but did not make a move. How can one expect words to match actions in these days of Kali Yuga? Later saying that Dauranga was saying that he would leave the room, but he did not move even a little bit from his place where he was sitting. So further Natak saying that how could one believe to take one's words from his side, particularly in the time of the Kali Yuga. राइटर कह रहे कि रत्ना ने कहा कि मुझे जाना चाहिए, मेरे वजह से गाना म्यूजिक रुक गई है, लेकिन वो अपने जगह से रंच मात्र हिला नहीं. अब राइटर कह रहे कि कोई कैसे विश्वास कर सकता है इस कलयुग में कि कोई अपने शब्दों का पालन कर लेगा, अपने वचन को निभाएगा. Ratna ran inside overcome by shyness. After a while Ranga asked, who is that girl, Swami? Who is that inside? The lion wanted to know. The he-goat who had taken shelter in the temple replied, does it matter who I am? I am a poor animal who has already eaten 9 lions. I have vowed to eat one more. Tell me, are you male or female? The lion fled the place in fear, it seems. All these are only stories. Anyhow, the sense of this passage is that anyhow Ranga wanted to know the introduction of the Ratna, but the narrator was knowing very well that everything was going according to his planning. So he wanted to increase the interest into Ratna of the Ranga. नरेटर तो शादी करना चाहता था, एवरीथिंग जो थी उसके प्लानिंग के अकॉर्डिंग नरेटर की चल रही थी. अब जब रंगा पूछा कि वह लड़की कौन थी, तो नरेटर बताने के बजाय इधर उधर की बात घुमा रहे थे ताकि रंगा का इंटरेस्ट उस लड़की में ज्यादा बढ़े, जिससे आगे चल के उनका बात बन सकेगा, वो उस लड़की का उस लड़के से शादी करा सकने में सफल होंगे. Like the he got, I said, what does it matter to either of us who sees? I am already married and you are not the marrying kind. Narrator is saying that he replied, Miss Narrator replied that what is me? And why should they mind about her? It does not matter. Narrator was Miss story writer who wanted to get Ratna with Ranga married, was already married and Ratna did not like to marry in future. कह रहे हैं कि ना मैं तो शादीशुदा हूं, तुम तो शादी करने वाले नहीं हो. Then what is need to understand to each other, to think about that girl? Very hopefully he asked, she is not married then? His voice did not betray his excitement, but betray means छल करना, to cheat, to deceit. Betray his excitement, but I knew it was there. Narrator is saying that when he said that what does it matter when you don't want to marry and I am already married, who she was, means this was the indication from the side of narrator indirectly that she was unmarried. And having heard this sense of the unmarried, Ranga got excited and asked in question tag sense, question tag way, that it means she was unmarried. She was married a year ago. His face revealed like a roasted brinjal. Then, with the purpose to know the intention of the Ranga, narrator said that no, she was married long year ago. And having heard the matter of marriage, that she was married, the Ranga's face got such blackened as a brinjal is roasted and takes shape. यानी नरेटर कह रहे हैं कि जब रंगा को ये सुनने में आया, कह रहे वो तो शादी हो गई है उसकी, तो रंगा इतना दुखी हुआ कि उसके चेहरे पे ब्लैकनेस ऐसे ही आ गई, उदासी छा गई, जैसे कि एक भूंजे हुए बैगन का चेहरा हो जाता है, सिकुड़ जाता है. After a while, that is the overall just moment, Ranga left saying, I must go, I have work at home. I went to our Shastri the next morning and told him, I means here narrator. Now narrator is saying that he went next day to the Shastri. Who was Shastri? Shastri was the astrologer, you can say the person who reads the set place of the stars and other planets. ग्रह नक्षत्रों की जानकारी रखने वाला व्यक्ति. So narrator went to the Shastri next morning and told him, keep everything ready to read the stars. I shall come later. I tutored him. Tutored means taught him according to my ज्ञान, उसे मैंने सिखाया. Him in all that I wanted him to say. Miss narrator went to the शास्त्री, उस शास्त्री के पास गए, उस पंडित के पास, उसे बताया कि देखो अपना सब कुछ पोथी पत्रा तैयार करना रखना, कुछ ही समय में हम शादी के लिए आएंगे और ऐसे ऐसे करना है. एवरी प्लान वाज मेड अंडरस्टैंड बाय द नरेटर टू द शास्त्री, कि तुम्हें ऐसे ऐसे करना है, हर हाल में शादी सेट करा देनी है. I found no change in Ranga when I met him that afternoon. What's the matter? You seem to be lost in thought, I said. Narrator next day met with Ranga, but he did not find any change in the Ranga. Nothing wrong, believe me. Headache, come, let's go and see a doctor. Then narrator himself said, वो रंगा बोला कि कुछ नहीं, ऐसी कोई बात नहीं है, मैं ठीक हूँ. So anyhow, narrator tried to convince Ranga by saying that you are feeling headache, so let us come to the doctor. I have no headache, I am my usual self. Ranga said, no, there is no headache. He was in his usual self, means in his normal life. I went through the same thing then when the process of choosing a girl for me was going on, but I don't think that that could be a reason for your present condition. Narrator tried to instigate the thinking and the heart of the Ranga, pulsate of the Ranga, and said that, don't worry, Ranga, when the marriage process and marriage conversation was going on in my time, then narrator was also realizing the same problem as the Ranga was realizing there. Ranga stared at me seriously. Come, let's go and see Sastri, I suggested. Now narrator suggested to Ranga anyhow, carried to go or carried to the Sastri. We will find out whether Guru and Shani are favorable for you or not. This is the conspiracy of the narrator. Ranga accompanied me with any protest, without any protest. Protest means virodh. As soon as Sastri saw me, he exclaimed, what a surprise, Shama. Have not seen you for a long time. As soon as, or no sooner did Shastri see Ranga, sorry, narrator, he exclaimed with joy that, oh, Shastri, you are here. For a long time I have not seen Miss he showed that he had not seen Shastri at his home. शास्त्री ज्यों ही देखा नरेटर को तो ही वह चिल्लाए कि रे नरेटर में जो भी उसका नाम था, तुम क्या नाम है, श्यामा, नरेटर्स नेम इज श्यामा. सो वो कहा, श्यामा तुम, अरे बड़े दिन बाद आए हो, बहुत दिन बाद, इतने दिन कहाँ थे. मीन्स शास्त्री आल्सो शोड हिज फेवर इन द प्लानिंग ऑफ द श्यामा, दैट इज द नरेटर. Shama is none other than your servant, the narrator of this tale. And who is the Shama? Narrator बता रहा है कि narrator का servant है. Shama is none other than your servant, the narrator of this tale. ये readers को बता रहा है narrator कि श्यामा कौन है. तो श्यामा कोई नहीं है, खुद ही वह श्यामा है जो कि आपका यानी जो readers हैं उनका नौकर है, उनका सेवक है. I got angry and shouted, what's only this morning Shastri completed my sentence. You finished all your work and are now free to visit me. Had he not done so, I would have ruined our plan by bursting like grains that are kept in the sun to dry. I was extremely careful of what I said afterwards. When शास्त्री सेठ कह रहे, श्यामा तुम अब तक यहाँ नहीं आए, बहुत दिन बाद आ रहे हो, अब तक कहाँ थे. तो यह बात सुनकर के जो शास्त्री ये श्यामा जी हैं यानी जो नरेटर हैं पढ़ाए थे उसको, ये भूल गए कि हम क्या प्लानिंग किए थे. वो उस पर भड़क गए कि क्या बात कर रहे हो, हम अभी सुबह ही तो आए थे. तो शास्त्री आगे बीच में इंटरप्ट कर दिया उनके कहने से पहले ही कि हम सुबह ही आए थे. कि अरे आओ आओ, बहुत समय हो गया, आओ बैठो, जो भी है आगे क्या है, इसका मतलब तुम काम से फुर्सत पा गए हो तब यहाँ आए हो. एनीवे बाय कोडिंग वर्ड्स शास्त्री इंडिकेटेड दैट अरे तुमने जो कहा है उसी का ये प्लानिंग का एक पार्ट है. तब नरेटर समझा कि अरे अरे शास्त्री इज मोर जीनियस देन मी. और तब नरेटर उसके बाद आफ्टरवर्ड्स में से उसके बाद अब जो भी बात हुई उसे बड़ी सावधानी पूर्वक बात करने लगा और उससे बिहेव करने लगा. शास्त्री टर्न्ड टू रंगा. When did the young son of our accountant clerk come home? What can I do for him? It's very rarely that he visits us. After every pleasance between Shastri and Shyama, that is the narrator, Shastri turned back towards the Ranga and started to see towards him. He started to inquire of how and what pleasance were of the Ranga and what should and what could he do for him, because Ranga visits him very rarely, very rare and rare. Take out your paraphernalia. पैरफर्नेलिया जो है बेटा, ये जो खगोल शास्त्री जो पंडित लोग होते हैं उन लोग का एक कपड़ा होता है चौकोर सा, उस पे ग्रह नक्षत्र वगैरह बने होते हैं, सब नक्शा बना होता है, दैट इज कॉल्ड पैरफेरलिया. So take out your paraphernalia. Our Rangappa seems to have something on his mind. Can you tell us what's worrying him? Shall we put your science of astrology to the test? तब नरेटर यही कह रहे अपना जो है नक्शा नजरी लाओ, जो भी वास्तुशास्त्र वगैरह है, पोथी पत्रा, और देखो उसमें नक्षत्र ग्रह पढ़ो. हमारा रंगा जो है बहुत डिस्टर्ब है, उसके दिमाग में कुछ चल रहा है, बताओ उसे क्या प्रॉब्लम है. There was authority in my voice as I spoke to Shastri. मीन्स नरेटर जब शास्त्री को आदेश दे रहा था तो इसके बात में दम था, फोर्स था. He took out 2 sheets of paper, some cowries जो है that is called goti, and a book of palmyra leaves, saying ours is an ancient science IR. There is a story to it, but I would not tell you that story now. This is not a harikatha, which allows you to tell a story within a story. You may get bored. I shall tell it to you some other time. All these were the conversation only with the purpose to convince Ranga. Shastri said that this is not harikatha. I will tell you further any time other in time of rest. Here I am going serious and I am going to read the mental condition of the Rangappa. Shastri moved his lips fast as he counted on his finger and then asked, "What's your star?" Ranga did not know. "Never mind." Shastri indicated with a shake of his head. He did some more calculations before saying in a serious tone, "It's about a girl." Shastri calculated, showed his seriousness on his palmernia, क्या है वो था ना, paraphernalia, calculated his astrology and said that whatever was going in the mind of Ranga was related to the girl. रंगा के विचार में जो कुछ भी डिस्टर्बेंस है वह एक लड़की से जुड़ी हुई बात है और वह सिर्फ उस लड़की के बारे में ही सोच रहा है. I had been controlling my laughter all this while. नरेटर कह रहे हैं कि ये सब जब शास्त्री कर रहा था मेरे पढ़ाई के अनुसार कुछ अपना जोड़ तोड़ कर, तो नरेटर को हंसी बड़ी तेज आ रही थी. But now I burst out laughing. I turned to Ranga exactly what I had said. Who is the girl? I was your humble servant who asked the question. तब नरेटर कह रहे हैं कि अब मैं हंसी रोकते रोकते नहीं रोक पाया तो बड़े जोर से हंसा और फिर रंगा की तरफ मुड़ा और कहा, asked whatever was going on, tell him. Don't feel shy because I am your servant. Means your welfare. नरेटर कहे कि देखो जो विचार में मन में चल रहा है जिस लड़की के बारे में बता दो, शादी करा दूंगा. मुझे दूसरा मत समझो, मुझे शर्माओ मत, समझ लो कि मैं तुम्हारा दास हूँ, तुम्हारा सेवक हूँ, अन्यथा परेशान हो जाओगे. Who is the girl? I was your humble servant. Shastri thought for a while before replying. She probably has the name of something found in the ocean. शास्त्री थोड़ी देर सोचा, उसके बाद चुप होने के बाद कह रहा है कि नेम ऑफ गर्ल वाज सच दैट थिंग इज फाउंड इन द ओशन. वह बोला कि एक लड़की का नाम इस ग्रह नक्षत्र के अनुसार ऐसा आ रहा है जो कि समुद्र में मिलता है वह चीज. कमला मे बी, कुड इट बी पक्षी मॉस. दिस वाज द गेस ऑफ द शास्त्री एंड नरेटर. कोई कह रहे हैं कि कमला है, कोई कह रहे हैं कि नहीं हो सकता है कि ये पक्षी मॉस हो. इस तरह से एनी हाउ दे वेयर ट्राइंग टू कन्विंस एंड टेक अंडर देयर कंट्रोल एंड गिव द साइकोलॉजिकल प्रेशर इन रिलेशन टू द मैरिज, इन रिलेशन टू देयर प्लानिंग ऑन द रंगा. दे वांटेड टू टेक अंडर देयर कंट्रोल द माइंड थिंकिंग ऑफ द रंगा.